Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars.
Hi everyone, and welcome. On today's tune-up, we're going to talk about something that's really important, and that is shop cleanliness. It is really important to keep your shop clean for a number of reasons. First of all, when you have a clean shop, you tend to work better. You build better guitars, your work is cleaner, it's neater, and you are happier at what you're doing. So by all means, make sure that you put things away. For example, at the end of the day, when your session is finished, put your tools away. The tools belong in a certain place, and you know when you come back the next time that they're all going to be there. So it's really good for you if you take your screwdrivers, your chisels, and your planes like you can see behind me, and you put them back, you know where they'll be the next time you need them. Another thing that's important in your workshop is to throw out the garbage. We accumulate so much garbage from cartons that arrive at the front door from your mail service or a courier or whoever it is. And when you open up those cartons, it's time to collapse them and get them out and put them into the recycling and get rid of them. The other thing I want to talk about, and this sounds really crazy, but it's very important, and that is using a vacuum. The vacuum in your shop is there for a reason. Get rid of the sawdust. Get rid of all of the shavings that are on the floor, all the little cut-offs, pieces of wood, etc. Because sawdust on a floor, be it tile or be it cement, that can cause you to slip in that, and in turn could be a very serious accident. So you don't want that to happen. So make sure you vacuum your machinery, vacuum all those little pores, those little holes you see in the side for vents, for air. Get the sawdust out of there. Keep those motors running clean. The other reason that it's important to pick up the sawdust off your tools and whatnot is because you don't want to have a fire. And that would be catastrophic. And we're going to do a tune-up on fire and fire extinguishers. So that's coming in the future. So we'll wait for that, but let's avoid having that kind of a problem because that is a big time serious problem. All right, that's it for me today. It's a short video. And you know what to do. If you would like more of this, by all means, please hit the subscribe button and the bell. Yeah, hit the bell button so that you get a notification. I don't know what I'm doing, but it's fun anyway. So do it, and that's it. I'll see you on the next video.
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars, shouldn't they enlighten